This is the next part that we're going to do. Time to pin and sew. So lay the front bodice right side up, open up your sleeve and lay the slanted part of the sleeve to the slanted part of the bodice front with right sides together. That means the good side of your fabric will be on the touching each other. Okay, so every now and then a cat may appear in my videos because they're very interested in what I'm doing. So we're going to pin here and we're going to pin here and then we're going to serge stitch on the overlocker. Okay. And so this is the slanted part of the fabric. This is the right side because it's got my pocket on it. Okay, so there's the pocket. Okay, it's already attached. And this is the right side of the fabric. This is the wrong side, the fluffy side. So we want to put this on the right side of the fabric. And here's my slanted side of my sleeve. That's of course the right side. And we're going to place it here and we're going to pin. I'm going to pin. That says 3/8 of an inch, which is just a little bit smaller than I said before when I was talking to you. So you aren't going to be cutting very much off as you stitch these on. So you're going to put that one there. And then we're going to put our other one on this side. Okay, so there's the other side of our fabric. Can we see it? Nope, I haven't got it in there. There it is. So there's our other side of our fabric. Let's have a look. There it is. A good shot of my messy table at home. And here is the other side. So we're going to put this one here like that. And we're going to pin. 1, just 3. You don't need too many. 2, because sewing, the overlocker goes very, very fast, okay? And so you want to not to have too many pins to have to pull out. Do that. And then once you've done this, you're going to do the other side of the sleeve. So I'll do it on the sewing machine. Right, so when I've gone to put this on here, I've shaken this out, made sure I've got all of the bulk of my fabric here, and they've got none of the bulk sitting here near the foot, okay? So you just make sure that you have nothing else in the way before you start to stitch, okay? Or else you will cut part of your fabric. All right, so I have my fabric set up and it's not under the foot, it's just before the foot, and it's kind of just on this little first section here. Take your first pin out and start to sew. Just go slow, don't overdo it, don't go fast. Take your next pin out. They definitely don't like pins. Just keep letting the machine pull it through. It pulls, you don't need to push. Just let the machine do the work. And get rid of any of your messy cutting. Just go all the way up the end and cut. Okay, and that's our first sleeve. You can cut the other end on the cutter. And that's our first side. See that? Right, and you just need to do the other side. You can see we've got both the sleeves attached. There's that side and that side. So now we have to attach the back. So that's the front done. And now we're going to attach the back. Right, so I've got my back piece. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. This is the right side. So we put the right sides together like this. Ooh, okay, just a second. Where am I? Oh, I'm not even in the right spot. There we go. See, there's the right part. So we want the matching bit. So that's the right part there, and we're going to pin. I'm going to do exactly the same as we did on the other side. I'm not going to video it, but we need to just do exactly the same stitch that we just did on the front piece to this back piece. And then we're going to have our 2 bits. So I've got that side and you're going to come over and you're going to pin this side. Okay, so this stuff does have the tendency to curl, which is why doing the serge stitching or the overlocking is the best way to go. Okay, so it stops that curling. Turn that off.